If you use wpDataTables, you already know how great it is for turning raw data into clean, organized, and useful tables. But instead of importing it manually, there's now a way to collect that data straight from your website and feed your tables on autopilot. It's called IvyForms and it's built by the same team that made wpDataTables. Get started for free and let me show you how it works with one real-life example. You need both plugins installed and active. Once both are active, go to IvyForms, click Integrations and enable the wpDataTables toggle. Let's say you run a fitness studio. You want members to sign up for classes online, and you want all those registrations organized in one place automatically. We'll build the form in IvyForms, then connect it to a wpDataTable. We'll add name, email, class type as a dropdown with yoga, heat, and spinning, and preferred time slot as a dropdown with morning, afternoon, and evening. And here's a nice touch. If you'd rather let members pick more than one class, switch class type from single choice to multiple choice. We'll also add an injury or limitation question set as a radio button, so members can pick only one answer. And one more field, how many classes per week as a number field. We'll use it for a chart later. One last step on the form. In Settings, under the Integrations tab, turn on Allow IvyForms to be used as a data source in wpDataTables. That's what makes this form appear in the wpDataTables source list when you build your table. Now go to wpDataTables and create a new table. Set the data source to IvyForms form. This is a new table type built specifically for IvyForms, so your form data flows in directly. Then select your gym form and choose which fields to use as columns. One quick tip before we build: submit a few real entries through the form first, with actual numbers in the classes per week field. That way, when wpDataTables reads the form, it recognizes that column as a number automatically. Then click Save Changes at the top right to initialize the table. With the table generated, the builder opens its full set of tabs: Data Source, Display, Sorting and Filtering, and more. Open the Display tab. Set rows per page to 25. That's just how many signups show on one page before the rest roll onto the next one, so your first 25 all appear at once, and the table stays tidy as you get busier. Turn on Allow Collapsing on mobiles and tablets. Then, in the Email column settings, tick Collapse column on mobile devices, so on a phone email tucks away and the columns that matter stay visible. In Sorting and Filtering, switch on Allow Sorting and the main search block, so visitors can sort any column and search the whole table. Now scroll down to the Table Preview section and open the column settings for the Injury or Limitation column. In the Conditional Formatting tab, add a rule. If the value equals yes, highlight the row red. The table is live. Notice those red rows. That's our conditional formatting. Any member who flagged an injury is highlighted automatically, so your instructors can spot them at a glance before class starts. You can also sort with a click. Tap the class type header and all your yoga signups group together. Now watch the filters work together. Pick class type yoga, time slot morning, and classes per week 3. Instantly the table narrows to just those members, so a gym manager can see exactly how much demand there is for a committed morning yoga crowd and staff that slot accordingly. To add a chart, just open the wpDataTables chart wizard and link it to your registration table. We'll use two columns, class type on one axis and how many classes per week on the other. Turn on grouping and wpDataTables adds up the weekly classes for each type, so every bar shows the total weekly demand for yoga, HIIT and spinning. Now the insight jumps right out. The tallest bar is where demand is highest, so that's where you'd add more slots, while a class sitting low might be one to promote or rethink. And here's the payoff for you as the owner. On your private dashboard, the form, your roster, and the demand chart all sit together, reading the same data. Log a new sign-up, hit submit, refresh, and there it is in the roster, with the chart ticking up to match. No exporting, no spreadsheets. You log it once and everything stays in sync. Connecting your forms and syncing your data live works completely with the free version of IvyForms. Just keep in mind that advanced table design features like the conditional formatting, highlights, and charts we used here require wpDataTables Pro. The IvyForms Pro plan adds conditional logic, advanced fields like digital signatures, multi-page and conversational forms, and additional integrations including MailChimp and webhooks. To get started, click the link in the description to download IvyForms for free. For more tutorials, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!